Hello students, welcome to lecture 7 of factorization. In last lecture, we have been through factorization of two or more monomials. Monomials means single term. Okay, we had learned how to factorize. See, factors of a monomial, right? What we did in this? First, we used to take out the common factor between the monomials, correct? And then from that common factor we took out HCF, that is the highest common factor. Now today we will learn on how to factorize a binomial, that is factorization of a binomial. But before that, I would like to give you thumb rule regarding the monomial factorization. So we can say that for finding the HCF of the given monomials, the following rules should be followed. Okay, now first rule is find the HCF of the numerical coefficients appearing in the given monomials. Okay, numerical coefficients, we have to find HCF of the numerical coefficients. That is, if I take fx 5xy and I take 25x square y, then these are called the numerical coefficients. These numbers are called the numerical coefficients, and you need to find HCF of these two. Then second rule is find the common literals appearing in the given monomials. That is, again the same example, I will take 5x square xy and 25x square y. Okay, now between these two literals, that is the variables, we need to find the common literals. That is, here x is there and here x square is there. From that we need to take the least power, so x and y is there with the power 1. So the common literals is nothing but x and y. Literals means variables whose value changes. Correct? Now the third thumb rule is find the smallest power of each common literal. That's what we did here. That xy is given and x square y is given. Then in x, the smallest power is x raised to 1, and y, the smallest power is y raised to 1. Okay, so this is called the smallest power of the common literal. Then the fourth thumb rule is that write a monomial of common literals with smallest powers obtained in step 3. That is, here you need to write this monomial which we have got. Now, fifth rule is that write the product of the HCF which are obtained in step 1 and the monomial obtained in step 4. That is, here the monomial we will get with the literal numbers. So we have to just multiply it. Okay, with the product of the HCF which is obtained in step 1. What was the step 1? That numerical coefficients. Okay, so these are the thumb rules which you need to follow to factor a monomial, that is 2 or more monomials. Now today I will just introduce you with factorization of a binomial. Okay, so what is binomial? Binomial is nothing but the sum of two monomials. So we can say that we define the HCF of a binomial. How now for binomial, if we want to find the HCF, then how are we going to define the HCF of a binomial? How are we going to define it? As the largest monomial that is a factor of each term of the binomial. See, how are you going to define HCF of a binomial? Then it is the largest monomial. At last you will get a monomial as a factor among the each terms. Now binomial is the sum of two monomials. Let us take an example. If I take example 12x square y minus 6xy square, then what will I do first? I will see 12 and 6 both are in the table of 2. Yes, so we will say 2 into 6 into x square into y minus 2 into 3 into x into y square. Now I will take the numerical coefficients. What is common? 2 is common. Yes, here also I can factorize 6 as 2 into 3. So this I will get, this term is 2 into 2 into 3 into x square into y minus 2 into 3 into x into y square, as this is in the prime factor form only. Now here we can take out 2 common because both the terms has got only 1 2. So we will take out 2 common, then the least number of the literal numbers, x square and x. So we will take out x common, and here y square is there but here only y is there, so we will take out y common. So it is 2xy in the bracket, this is left out, so 6 among x from x square. If I take out 1x, we will get 1x, so x, y is already out, minus 3 is there, and here x, so this x has gone, 2 has gone and y has gone, so we will get 3 and y. Again I can factorize this term. What will I do? Let me take 2xy, 2 into 3x minus 3y. What can I take out? 3. So 2xy into 3. So we will get 2 into x minus y. So this is nothing but 6xy, 2x minus y. Now instead of doing all these things, I can show you a very easy method, that is 12x square y minus 6x y square. Directly with between these two numbers 12 and 6, we have got 6 2s are 12, so we can take out 6 outside. Here it will be 2. Now x square and x, so I can take out x with the least power, and y square I can take out y. So this will be 2x minus x is already out, so minus y. Got it? This is the easiest way. Instead of doing all these things, you can take it as table of 6. Okay, so here I end my lecture. We will continue the same in the next lecture. Thank you very much.